Join our coaching 10-day challenge to land clients fast using Go High Level. Would you like help in getting clients within the next 10 days? With our deferred payment option, you can implement Go High Level with coaching and support at no upfront cost. Let us show you how to get your next client for free. Software alone doesn't grow a business. How you use it does. That's why we're here to help you make the most of your Go High Level software account. Whether you're brand new or already using the platform, we guide you in using it for what it does best: permission-based follow-up. When prospective clients opt in and receive consistent, automated text and email offers, your chance of closing a sale increases significantly. With our support, we'll show you how to make Go High Level pay for itself by improving lead conversion through thoughtful, automated follow-up. When you sign up for Go High Level through Human Brainbox, you'll not only get the software, you'll also get expert coaching to help you start closing clients fast. To kick things off, we invite you to take our 10-day challenge. This challenge is designed to help you get new clients within just 10 days by tapping into your existing sphere of influence. Before starting, go to the pricing page at humanbrainbox.com and click the button labeled Quickly Get Clients Survey. Completing this quick survey will give you clarity on how marketing, permission-based follow-up, pre-sales, offers, and a refined sales process can elevate your business. Once you register, you'll receive a free version of our pipeline management software. A marketing success manager will reach out to schedule a one-on-one session to discuss your business goals and help you launch the 10-day challenge. The first step in the challenge is setting up your software account. Next, you'll add the top 25 contacts from your sphere of influence into your CRM. From there, you'll segment this list to identify a calling list, people you'll reach out to with a simple invitation to opt into your monthly newsletter. During these calls, ask 1 to 3 insightful questions to help determine if they are financially qualified to purchase from you. Focus on uncovering either the problems they're facing or a remarkable solution your business offers that they'd love to buy someday. Anyone who fits the criteria is added to your 33 sold list in the software. This becomes your list of financially qualified prospective clients who are most likely to do business with you. Once this list is built, sales becomes the key to converting. It's essential that sales teams follow up, make calls, and offer value. Consistent outreach, paired with targeted lead magnets and compelling offers, is how deals get closed. We'll guide you through the entire process. At Human Brainbox, we specialize in helping business owners and sales professionals start using their Go High Level software to quickly get results. Our method is built around 5 proven marketing strategies: leveraging your sphere of influence, marketing by referral, networking, social media, and finally, running ad campaigns. The best part? You can use our free pipeline management software to get started right away, no credit card required. For most businesses, starting with their sphere of influence, referrals, and networking is the fastest way to gain traction using Go High Level. Here's the roadmap to success with our 10-day challenge. Sign up for free pipeline management software. Identify your ideal client profile. Add your top 25 contacts into the software. Segment contacts that match your ideal client. Identify their problems and what they want. Qualify the contacts who are motivated and able to buy. Develop a lead magnet and offer they can say yes to. Make direct contact to start the conversation. This approach turns outreach into warm, permission-based engagement, and that's what leads to results. Human Brainbox plus Go High Level equals clients in 10 days. DM 10-day to join the challenge. To get started, visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. One of our marketing success managers will reach out personally to help you begin. If Einstein surfed the web, he'd definitely smash that like, subscribe, and share button.